Can you fill in for me while I'm on holiday? No. Any reason why not? No. Fine. Another year without a holiday. Yes. To fill in for someone means to temporarily do their job while they are away. For example, you might fill in for a colleague who is sick or on holiday. Before we make any big decisions, we should check in with the team. Who? Yeah. No, just checking in. No, nothing specific, just checking in. We don't have a team. So who was that? To check in with someone means to contact them to see how things are going or to get an update. For example, a manager might check in with their team before making a decision. Do you remember when I asked you if I could have Friday off and you said that you would get back to me? Yes. Well, you haven't got back to me yet. I know. I need to think about it. I'll get back to you. To get back to someone means to reply to them or to give them an answer later. For example, a manager might say, I'll get back to you tomorrow. You phoned the accountant yesterday, didn't you? Yes, of course I did. Great. So you won't mind following up to see what they say? You didn't call the accountant, did you? Yeah. To follow up on something means to take further action or to check what happened after something else. For example, you might follow up on an email, a phone call, or a meeting. I've got a message that I'm supposed to pass on to you. Who from? Can't remember. Okay, well, maybe it will be obvious when I hear the message. Maybe. The message is no. 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 To pass something on means to give information or a message to another person. For example, you might pass on a message from a client or a colleague. What's the problem? I can't make sense of this. Let me clear up the misunderstanding. Try now. All right, thanks. To clear something up means to solve a problem, confusion, or misunderstanding. For example, you might clear up a mistake or explain something more clearly. In the audit, I'll need you to spell out exactly what your responsibilities are. No problem. M-A-K-E-T-E-A. You said spell it out. Maybe you should take the day off. To spell something out means to explain it very clearly and in detail. For example, a manager might spell out someone's responsibilities or the rules of a project. So, you'd like to buy 1,000 courses. That's fantastic news. Now, first of all, I'll need your contact detail. Hello? Hello? Something wrong? I was just cut off during the most important video conference I've ever had. Did you unplug my computer? I needed to charge my phone. Give me your phone. To be cut off means to suddenly lose a connection or communication. For example, a phone call or internet connection can be cut off unexpectedly. Right, let's run through the script for this video. Shot 1. Cameraman strokes his moustache. Who wrote this? To run through something means to review or practice it quickly. For example, you might run through a script, a presentation, or a plan before starting. I think we need to put across a more professional image. I'm one step ahead of you. You've got ketchup on your tie. To put something across means to communicate a message or idea clearly. For example, a company might try to put across a professional image.